Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are back again with a new video. In this video, we'll learn about Python none, what it is and how to use it. So, none is a special constant in Python that represents the absence of a value, means no value or not set yet. So, how do we assign a none? So, this is how we assign a none. And we can see the output of this. And now let's find the type of none. So here we can see it gives us none type. So now let's see how do we compare the values with none. Always use is or is not when comparing with none. So let's see. So it is always advisable to use is or is not when comparing the values with none. So here we can see the output and we can also see its Boolean behavior. So we can see its Boolean behavior is also false. And how do function returns none? So here we created a function, and if a function has no return, Python returns none by default. Let's see the output. So here we can see the output. So in today's video we learned what none is, its type is none type, how to compare it, and function returns none by default. So if you like this video, like, share, subscribe for more Python tutorials, and thanks for watching today's video.